Is silver about to crash or is silver about to rally? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody, and happy coffee. We made it to Thursday, everybody. What is going on with silver and gold today? Silver is dropping. Gold is plummeting. We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver update. What is causing this to happen? Is silver about to crash or is silver about to rally? Let's get started, everybody. But before we get started, as I always do, I want to tell the new viewers, the person that just clicked on this video, thank you for watching us from my living room to yours or to your phone. So thank you very much. And I just want you to know how much I appreciate your support. You clicked on this video, you're watching this video, and I hope I get to welcome you to the family. So we're just a family of gold and silver and numismatic stackers all over the world and all over the United States. And I thank all of you, all of this YouTube family and viewers. Thank you so very much for watching our channel from everywhere, basically, all over the United States. Gosh, we got people from Indiana and Nebraska, and we got people from Texas and California and New York and Tennessee and just everywhere, everybody. And I just want to say thank you so very much. By the way, don't forget our new food channel that we have. We just loaded it on Monday. It's called Silver Stacker Cooks. So I'm still SSC. I kept it. Silver Stacker Cooks. And of course, SilverStackerCracker here and everybody. It's going to be a great channel. It's going to be a fun channel. I'd appreciate your support if you'd go over there. Check it out. There's only just a few videos on there. We're working on getting better and better and better on those videos, everybody, and things will change dramatically like they do on all channels as we grow. The videos will just get better. So we'll be talking about campfire cooking. We'll be showing some recipes, how-tos on barbecue and smoking meats and cooking Cinnabons and desserts and all kinds of stuff. So it's going to be really fun. I'll post it in the comment section, the link to the new channel, everybody. Let's get started on gold and silver. Gold, guys, is dramatically down this morning to $4,397, down $58.40 just this morning since we woke up. And silver, everybody, is down to $73.25. Guys, that is not a negative thing. 73.25 on silver, still very, very positive, still above what I believe the floor is of 72, and we will look at that in just a second. Platinum is at $1,888 this morning. It's down 36 bucks. Guys, this is all a buying opportunity on this silver and gold. And I just bought some at over 75. I think I bought some silver, it was 78. So you're like, hey, SSC, you just lost a bunch of money per ounce. Well, I didn't lose anything. Why did I not lose money? Because it's a long-term hold and I did not sell it. So this is a long-term game, everybody, on silver and gold. It's a wealth preservation. Yes, it is a savings account, but it's a savings account you need to hold. Now, do you need to hold some fiat cash in the bank? Yes, you do. You still got to pay your bills with that, everybody. You can't just really take an ounce of silver and go pay a bill with it. They'll look at you like, what? Are you crazy? That's $1. They don't realize it's $75 sitting in your hand and looking at them in their face. So you got to have some fiat money, but a savings account of silver and gold is fantastic. It is a savings account? Yes, it sure is. Because what happens is it basically forces you to save your money. Now, can you go sell it? You sure can, but it forces you to save your money, everybody. So it has me, and we have done fantastic, and I thank the Heavenly Father for that. Our palladium is at 1,342. Our rhodium just keeps going down, guys. Rhodium. What is happening when silver and gold prices are down? Rhodium usually hangs on pretty strong, but it's at $8,650. You know, I wonder what Bitcoin is. But I think maybe I'll check that out. Haven't done that in a long time. Had a couple of viewers say, "Hey, SSC, stop talking about Bitcoin. You don't know what you're talking about." That's because I'm not throwing my money in something that's digital. That's just not going to happen. So I think I'll look at that this morning when we get done here. And let's move on, everybody, to Hong Kong silver, Hong Kong gold. Hong Kong gold is 4,408. And their silver's at 73.31, pretty close to ours, everybody. And Mumbai is 4,373 on gold and 71.87 on silver. UK, what are you at today? Oh, by the way, check it out, everybody. Look at my cool signs. Well, wait. Happy coffee. Silver Stacker. Oh my gosh. I got to go to a funeral today. So I'm keeping a positive attitude, just like we do on silver and gold. I'm hoping my Uncle James is with the Heavenly Father, and I trust that he is, and that he came to know you, Christ. Thank you so very much. So let's look at our gold and silver ratio. It is actually gone up. So gold's out, even with the prices of gold right now, still outperforming a fly. Still outperforming a fly. No, anyway, 60.06. For all you new subscribers, you new folks, remember that it takes, the gold to silver ratio is basically how many ounces of silver does it take to get 1 ounce of gold or trade for 1 ounce of gold, and it's 60 to 1 this morning. 60 to 1. It was 59 point something earlier this morning. So 60 to 1. And by the way, guys, I'm sorry I didn't get a video posted yesterday. Woke up so tired, decided, no, everybody will be okay. They don't need to see my ugly mug today. Well, you got it today. By the way, we got a new video posting at 4 o'clock on our food channel, everybody, Silver Stacker Cooks. So go check that out. Please support me. Watch it through. I need the watch hours and the watch time to push that algorithm on the channel, on the food channel. So Silver Stacker Cooks. So let's move on to something real quick, and then we're going to get on to our base metals and all that. But I want to show you guys a chart. So let's take a look at our current silver chart for the last year, guys. For all you new stackers, you're like, what's silver going to do? It's going to crash, blah, blah, blah. We're looking over here at about June of 2025, guys. Silver was at 37 bucks an ounce, guys. And then we had a huge bull run all the way up through January, and then a big crash. And then we've had a lot of ups and downs on silver right here all the way through March. And of course, we had a pretty good high back in February here where it cranked back up over $95 an ounce and then back down. Now, if you look right here, everybody, look at this average line all the way across. If I had one of those fancy drawing things, I could show you. But if you'll look right here from about November, right about here, December of 2025, okay? And look at our price right here. Our price, $72.97 roughly here, and about $72.66. So we're going all the way towards today, guys, right here. and we're roughly 72.66-ish, 73 down here. We've dropped down a little bit, but anyway, roughly $73 an ounce all the way from December all the way to today. Everybody 73-ish per ounce. And what it's looking like right now, we've talked about this in the past, is it's looking like 72, 73 really is about the floor price on silver and gold right now. Now, some things continue to happen. We are definitely possibly going to hit that floor price of 72, which is where we're at right now. Looks like we're at about 72, 76 right now, everybody. And yeah, 72, 76 right here, 43, 79, 80 on gold. So that being said, I think we're right around our floor. We got some things happening. We'll talk about that in just a second. But let's move on to the rest of our metals prices and everything, and then we'll talk about what we think is happening that's causing silver to go down. Before we get started back on the rest of our pricing on metals and everything, I just want to remind everybody, don't forget about the gold back giveaway, the high dollar gold back number 255 of 2,500 of these limited edition gold backs made. So Goldback provided that for us at 10,000 subscribers. Somebody's gonna get it soon, everybody. We're at let's see here. We're at where are we at? 9,734 subscribers. This week views have been down just a little bit, understandably so. There's other priorities in this world. But let's move on to our base metals. Everyone, with the huge droppage in silver and gold, our prices on copper have stayed very, very strong. We're still at 613, hasn't really moved at all. Nickel's at 847. They're doing really, really good, and aluminum is at $1.68. So they're holding very, very strong. I still am a avid copper stacker, collector, whatever you want to call me. Like I said, not a financial advisor. I'm not that. But I mean, gold backs, guys, I've got tons of gold backs. Now's a good time to get some gold backs, guys. Right now is a great time with gold being down to get gold backs. And I'm going to show you something. Now, gold backs, everybody, this morning are 886. And the thing I want to show you about gold backs, everybody, that I love so much. Okay, this is a 2 gold back. This is 1/500th of a troy ounce. Okay, 1/500th of an ounce of gold. It is 24 karat gold, everybody. That is real gold. That is the real deal. That is gold that you can hold. And so is this. This is gold you can hold too, everybody. This is 1/500th of an ounce. It's a beautiful little gold piece. The point I'm trying to make right now is this is about $25, $26, $27, $30, something. It just depends on where you're at. And then this is about $18 roughly. $17, 17, 18 bucks right now with the gold price. So this is something that you can spend, that you can actually spend at an approved vendor, and they will actually give you change, whether it be in fiat money or gold backs, everybody. This right here is going to be very, very difficult to spend. Not many people are going to go, hey, I can't really use that, because they don't understand silver. They don't understand gold. Not to mention, everyone, this thing is so small, although it is a solid gold little coin. It's so small, everybody. If you carry that thing around in your pocket, it is gonna be a possibility of just throwing it away, because you might reach down in your pocket, pull something out, and it drops and you never see it again, right? Just like I dropped, I think about $80 or $90 last weekend, and didn't know it, and somebody had a good windfall at a little restaurant. So and I'm glad they did. So gold backs, guys, are 886 exchange rate this morning. And let's move on to our Shanghai silver. Shanghai right now in silver, everybody, let's look at, we're at 80. Where are we at? Silver inventory. Oh, wow. They're at, wow. They're down to 81.32, everybody, on their silver. Crazy. But, you know, right now, I promise you, they're looking at these silver prices and going, I'm going to buy some more. So just like we are, right? This is a buying opportunity on our silver. India, guys, India seems to be the one that's blasting everything on silver. They're at 84.47. Happy coffee to you, India, driving your silver prices up. So a good thing for India. A good thing for us, really, if you think about it. I mean, we're at 72.89 on silver. So really, wow. Oh, hit this dismiss button here. So really, everybody, things are going good for us on silver. We're staying actually pretty stable right above that floor. So things are doing well. I'm not too worried about it. And they're going to continue to get better and continue to go up. What is happening? The crude oil this morning is actually, it's actually up just a little bit, but it went down to $88, $89 a barrel. We're up to $90.83 per barrel on crude oil. It's kind of driving the silver down on us just a bit, guys. But one of the big ones right now is the U.S. dollar. It's up quite a bit on open this morning. It's 99.38. So it is really climbing, and that will cause investors to pull back from our silver and pull back from our gold as a safe haven and invest in an interest-bearing investment, something that pays interest, because they're like, oh, gold and silver, it doesn't pay an interest fund. I beg your pardon. It may not be actual interest, but as an investment and it goes up, you make a whole lot more money than interest. So if you want to hold some gold and silver, now's a good time to do it, everybody. I think that once things settle down in the Middle East, we've got even in the United States, I mean, they're actually forecasting the economy to get much better. That's going to drive the prices up on the dollar, and more and more people are going to pull back. But I'm not pulling out of silver, guys, and investing in a dollar that has been proven to fail. So do I keep some money in the bank? Yes. Do I keep a lot? No. I keep most of mine and invest most of mine into precious metals that I can hold, that I know I can turn around and go sell, whether I lose money on it or gain a whole bunch of money on it. It's there. It's there, guys. It's not tied up in a bank that closes. It's not tied up in a bank that you have problems with, or somebody hacks into your account and steals all your money, everybody. They're not going to steal your silver and gold unless somebody decides they want to be stupid and break in and come get it. So guess what? Just keep it at a different place. So let's move on and let's check out some world coins, guys. But before we do, gold is at $4,383 this morning. Silver at $72.87, and platinum still down at $1,881. Everybody. Gold to silver ratio is going to be about the same, 60-1. So now's a good time for everybody to get some silver and to get some gold. Let's check out a few world coins. We haven't done that in a while. And guys, being sure, watch these videos through. Check out my new food channel, SilverStackerCracker, everybody. I'll post it down there in the comments. Make sure you leave your comments. Let's talk to each other. We are a family, guys. Let's check out some coins. Let's get started on some really cool world coins, guys. I just pulled out a few of these. I just get into the old grab bucket. This makes stacking a lot of fun, everybody. More and more people are getting into the world coin collections, and it is turning into something pretty special. So we've got an Israel coin here, 1978, right there, guys. Beautiful little coin. Some of these coins are in amazing condition. If you had them evaluated, I'm almost positive there's a lot of these world coins that we have are worth well more than the face value of the coin, everybody. So pretty cool Israel coin. Some of them are worth just face value, but if you haven't really looked at and you've got a special one, maybe an error coin, you might have something pretty valuable in your collection. You just never know, right? So we'll put that as part of our learning collection for our grandbabies. Here's a 1939 Mexico. Now, I love Mexican coins, guys. They are beautiful coins, and almost every one of them. So kind of basically a 2-cent coinage, but a very cool coin, everybody. Let's go right over here. Check it out. Beautiful little coin, 1939, in very good condition, everybody. Glad to have that one. Let's just set it right there. And here's one I don't know if we've ever shown. I just pulled these things out. This is a Tonga, 1968 Tonga. Love Tonga. What a beautiful island nation. In the Caribbean, I guess, 1968. Tonga, really cool little island, man. I'd like to, move there and live on the beach, and of course, it's not all it's cracked up to be, some people say. So cool little coin, MS60 grading, sort of, yeah, but it's a very nice coin, everybody. Glad to have that. That's another one. That's another foreign coin that's going in and staying in our collection. Now, this one, I have no idea how they pronounce this, guys. Guernsey, 1971, Guernsey, I guess. If you guys know, make sure you let us know in the comments. I have never seen this. Never seen this coin. If you can see it. What's it say? New penny. Pretty cool. Really cool. Let's get that flipped around so we can show all the sides. So actually very cool. This is a new one on me. Never seen that before. So if you know, make sure you put us in the comments. Let me know, man. I appreciate it. And let's check out this one. This is really cool. A 1964 Philippines. Okay, kind of looks like silver, right? Nope, it's no silver. 25 centavos. Is that what it says? Yeah. Beautiful coin. Beautiful coin, everybody. Look at that. That's very cool. Copper, nickel. Yep, not silver. You're right, not silver. Very cool. Beautiful coin. Another gorgeous coin from the Philippines, everybody. Central Bank of the Philippines, right there. Central Bank of the Philippines. Very cool coin. I like that one. And let's look at this last one. Guys, there's no markings on it. I looked in a loop. I couldn't tell. I have no idea what it is. So we need your help on this one. It's a 1 penny, 1962. Very cool. It's got Queen Elizabeth on the back. But I really don't know what this is. So I just pulled it out, haven't researched it. So if you guys, I'm trying to get it in there. Gratia, is that what it says? Gratia Regina. So I don't know what this is. If you do, let me know in the comments, everybody. Hey, everybody have a fantastic Thursday. We're almost to the weekend. I do have to work Saturday, but it is what it is. So everybody, let's thank our Heavenly Father for everything that we have and not the 20% that we seek. Let us concentrate on the 80%, not the 20% we seek, everyone. And may God ease the pain of those that have lost loved ones this year, this week. 10 years ago, whatever it might be. Let's make sure that we look after our friends, our family, and our channel friends, of course, on this channel, everybody. So thank you, everybody. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Guys, I'm out.